Welcome to A Documentary Journey, Day in the Life of a London Temp Worker. This video offers an authentic look at the daily routine in one of the world's most dynamic cities. The day begins early at 6:30 a.m. For London's temp workers, every morning is a quick reality check, bringing new possibilities and challenges. It involves an early rise, a quick coffee ritual, and checking the smartphone for shift notifications. Chapter 2. Checking today's shift. Shift details show the role is administrative support at the West End office complex from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., paying £12.50 per hour. Key instructions emphasize arriving 15 minutes early with photo ID and adhering to a smart, casual dress code. Chapter 3 covers the quick morning routine, fast, practical, no-fuss prep before heading out. Efficiency is key. The routine involves a quick refresh, dressing according to the day's requirements, packing essentials like ID and an Oyster card, and verifying the shift details and travel route. Dressing for the job means adapting to diverse workplace cultures. Roles range from office work, requiring smart casual attire, to warehouse work, demanding high-vis vests and safety boots, and hospitality, where a uniform is usually provided. Chapter 5. Grabbing breakfast on the go. The commute demands time-efficient choices, like the classic coffee and pastry combo, or budget-friendly options like fresh fruit or a substantial sandwich. A top tip is prepping breakfast at home to save money. Heading to the station is part of the daily rhythm. This involves route planning, allowing a time buffer for delays, and mental preparation using podcasts or quiet reflection. The workday begins by tapping in Oyster card ready. Contactless payment or an Oyster card moves millions of journeys across the city. Daily commute costs vary by zone, with daily and weekly caps to help manage travel expenses. The commute is a shared experience. Temp workers use the time to zone out with playlists, read, connect with messages, or reflect and mentally prepare for the shift ahead. Today's assignment could be in admin, retail, events, warehouse, or hospitality. The variety is exciting and challenging. A pro tip is to build skills across multiple sectors to increase employability and earning potential. Chapter 10. Arriving on site. First impressions matter. Punctuality and professionalism are key. Always arrive early, present yourself well, and be prepared with all necessary documentation and items ready. Signing in marks the official start of the workday. This involves checking in at reception, getting a visitor pass, and signing a sheet. Remember good reception etiquette. A warm smile and clear communication create a positive first impression. Meeting the supervisor involves a quick intro, key instructions, and setting expectations for the day. Listen actively, take notes, ask clarifying questions, and show enthusiasm. Remember, first impressions are lasting impressions. Learning the ropes fast is essential. The ability to adapt quickly is a valuable skill in temp employment. The 3 steps are: observe how tasks are performed, practice with guidance, and confirm you are doing it correctly. Onboarding typically takes 15 to 30 minutes for most roles. The first task of the day is tackled with focus and energy. The first task sets the momentum for the entire day. Focus on 0 distractions, maintain a steady pace, ensure quality, and bring your best energy. Temp work demands flexibility, seen in task switching and quick response. Cultivate a flexible mindset, embrace change, stay positive, communicate clearly, and be proactive in offering help. Teaming up relies on communication and collaboration. Build positive relationships by communicating clearly, offering support, and graciously accepting guidance. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work, even for a day. By mid-morning, you reach a productivity peak, with energy and focus at optimal levels. Maintain this momentum by taking short breaks, staying hydrated, and prioritizing tasks effectively. Handling busy moments requires speed, focus, and calm under pressure. Work efficiently, avoid distractions, remember to breathe, and ask for help or team support when necessary. The lunch break is a well-earned pause to recharge. Seek green space, utilize the break room, or take a short walk to stretch your legs and clear your mind. Remember to pack lunch to save money. A quick check-in from the agency builds a strong connection, showing support and trust. Regular communication reassures workers that their well-being matters, not just filling shifts. Back to work means being refocused and ready for the shift's second half. You are recharged, have clear priorities for afternoon tasks, and are ready to finish strong. Problem solving on the spot is invaluable. When unexpected challenges arise, Assess the problem, consider options, and act decisively. Problem solvers get noticed and earn good references. Every shift contributes to building experience, new skills, contacts, CV growth, and confidence. Temp work is an investment, potentially leading to long-term career acceleration. Nearing the end of shift, it is crucial to finish strong. Complete tasks, tidy your workspace, and provide a clear handover to the next shift or supervisor to leave a lasting positive impression. Clocking out brings a sense of accomplishment. You are done with tasks, proud of your effort, and have earned your pay. It is now time to head home and relax. Heading home marks the transition from work mode to life mode. Enjoy the city lights, wind down with music or reflection, and know that well-deserved rest awaits. Checking earnings shows tangible progress. Today's pay and weekly earnings contribute toward the monthly target. Reviewing your next shift allows for forward planning. Why temp work works. It offers flexibility, competitive income, job variety across different sectors, and valuable professional experience. It's a strategic career choice for growth. Ready for tomorrow. The temp worker's journey is characterized by resilience and endless possibility. Set your alarm, commit fully, and embrace the opportunities ahead. Your next chapter starts now.